Greetings everyone, this is Shana Mayentak, and today I will prove a problem using mathematical induction. So the problem 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus all the way up to 4n minus 1 is equal to n the quantity of 2n plus 1. So in solving a problem using mathematical induction, we need to prove first the base case. So the p of n or the p of 1 must be true. So the first term here in our equation or in our sequence is 3, and then on the right side of the equation we will substitute all the variable n with the value of 1. So like this, 3 is equal to 1 times the quantity of 2 times 1 plus 1. So 2 times 1 plus 1, 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1, 3 times 1 is equal to 3. So our equation 3 is equal to 3. So we already proved that our base case is true. So right after we proved that our base case is true, we can now proceed to the next step, which is the inductive step. We need to prove that p of n plus 1 is also true. So we just copy here the equation, and then for the next step, we added here the next term of the equation. So how did we arrive with 4n plus 3? So we just substitute here we have here the variable n, and then we substituted it with the value of n plus 1. So 4n plus 1 minus 1. So 4 times n is equal to 4n, and then 4 times 1 is equal to 4 minus 1. So 4n plus 4 minus 1 is equal to 4n plus 3. Here in the right side of the equation, you can see that we also substituted the variable n with the value of n plus 1 like this. Okay. So for the next step, we already assumed that p of n is equal to n, the quantity of 2n plus 1. So we can replace this equation here with this value and then add the next term. And then on the right side of the equation, we just simplify the equation and we arrive with the equation the quantity of n plus 1 times the quantity of 2n plus 3. So for the next step, we just simplify the equation on both sides. So 2 times n is equal to 2n, and then n times 1 is equal to n, and then just add the next term. And then on the right side, n times 2n is equal to 2n squared, and then n times 3 is equal to 3n. 1 times 2n is equal to 2n, and 1 times 3 is equal to 3. And for the last step, we will just combine the equation with similar terms. So since 2n squared doesn't have a similar term, we just copy, and then n plus 4n is equal to 5n, and then copy the constant 3. Same with the right side of the equation. So as you can see, the equation are equal. So we can say that the 3 plus 7 plus 11 all the way up to 4n minus 1 is equal to n, the quantity of 2n plus 1 is true.